Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 2004 to 2008 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the cab out of the way. Cut out the factory forward gas tank crossmember. You may need to cut your crossmember in half to make it easier to remove. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Take your replacement forward gas tank crossmember and slide the two inner plates onto your crossmember. The measurements of your frame plates will be different on each side. You will need to use a tape measure to confirm your measurements before sliding on your plates. We list the measurements below. After sliding on your inner plates, take your crossmember and slide it into place, one side at a time. Once your crossmember is in place, take the two outer plates and slide them onto each end of your crossmember. Again, the measurements will be different on each side. We list those measurements below. Then, following proper welding procedures, tack weld your crossmember and its plates onto the frame before welding them on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your cab. Then you're done!